You've got a good brand ambassador. Now what? Welcome to #Ace. Now that you found an influencer who's a good fit, it's time to put them in place. More than 2/3 of US marketers will use some form of influencer marketing this year. There's no one way to do it, but no matter what, you should always go into these partnerships with a clear vision of what you want to achieve with them. One way to do that is match them up with whatever part of your marketing funnel that needs a boost. Maybe you're at the top of the funnel using influencers to spread the word to their followers about your brand. In that case, you'd be looking at impressions, site traffic, reach, any data related to how many eyeballs are on your content. Oh gosh! Or maybe you're working with the bottom of the funnel and using influencers to push sales through a unique discount code at checkout. Those metrics are sales, conversions, click-through rates, anything that shows your audience is responding to end goals. Make sure your influencer has open communication with you on their metrics too. That way you can have continued accuracy in measuring how well your campaign is working. And that campaign will work best if